warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Sulfa Aidila Zahra from Class 1D English Education Department. Now, I want to tell you about the words from all vowel sounds in English. The 7 short vowel sounds: a, bat, sat, mat, cat. A, met, set, get, let. O, on, hot, box, bot. U, shoot, good, could, would. E, hit, beat, did, it. O, but, kaput, cup. And the last is schwa sounds. It can be a and a. Banana, about, ago, away. The 5 long vowel sounds: e, she, jeep, chip. Her, were, are, far, bar. O, do, walk. U, mood. The 8 diphthongs: ear, beer. Tour. Air, a, say, lay. Oi, toy. When you're shouting someone, oi, I, hi. For question mark, why? Oh, but, no. Oh, mouth. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Bye.